Here comes a male flying by her. She landed on her perch. He sailed by again. They were chirping a little bit. And there she is. She went on her favorite perch. He just sailed over the top of the building. They've been doing some aerial displays here. I'll back off. Oh, he's way above her now. She's watching him right now. He's sailing over the other part of the building. And he just landed over here. So, and she's taking off now. Yeah, he's flying by, makes a little chirp. Oh yeah, showing off a little bit. He's coming back over. There he flashed by. And we'll see if he interacts again. Oh yeah. Circling back again, kind of hovering. Off to join him.